Welcome. Have you ever felt like building real wealth is a mystery, reserved for a select few? What if I told you the secret isn't some complex formula, but a simple story? That's exactly what David Chilton's The Wealthy Barber unveils. Imagine a wise, successful barber who shares his financial wisdom with a small group, not through dry lectures, but through relatable conversations. This book takes those intricate money concepts and transforms them into everyday habits that are genuinely achievable for everyone. At its heart, the book champions a powerful idea: paying yourself first. It's not about earning a massive income or having perfect market timing. It's about consistently setting aside a portion of your earnings before you spend on anything else. This simple, disciplined act is the bedrock of lasting financial security. Another cornerstone is living below your means. True wealth isn't about projecting an image or succumbing to lifestyle inflation. It's built on discipline and making conscious choices about where your money goes. The book highlights how crucial it is to steer clear of unnecessary debt, especially the kind that carries high interest, as a vital step towards a stable financial future. And then there's the magic of long-term investing and protection. The Wealthy Barber encourages a steady, consistent approach to investing, allowing the power of compound growth to work its wonders. It also emphasizes using essential tools like insurance and retirement planning to safeguard your progress. Instead of chasing fleeting opportunities, the focus is on the enduring strength of patience, consistency, and simplicity. Ultimately, The Wealthy Barber delivers a profoundly clear message. Financial success is a product of consistent habits, not a stroke of luck. By embracing the practice of saving diligently, spending with intention, and thoughtfully planning for what lies ahead, you absolutely can build a financial life that feels both stable and empowering. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this insightful, consider following along for more practical wisdom.